Have you ever been diagnosed by a TCM doctor or acupuncturist with liver qi stagnation? Do you feel like you need to detox? Do you often have digestion issues, irregular menstruation symptoms, high cholesterol, or common mental health conditions like depression, anger, or stress? And did your TCM doctor say to eat special foods to clean out your liver but you aren't sure how to cook them? Then this cookbook is for you. This cookbook will teach you more about liver qi and the fundamental TCM theory of having a healthy liver. The Soothing Your Liver Qi cookbook explains why you may have liver qi stagnation. It gives lifestyle and food therapy suggestions for alleviating, releasing, and smoothing out liver issues. Plus, insights into emotional causes, and dozens of delicious liver-loving recipes. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon, and the book will show up on the results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator, and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Qi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your cookbooks today.